Hey everyone, so at R U Cars, we've got this beautiful BMW X2 in. This is a 20D xDrive with the M Sport X Pack Plus. I think that's right. It's finished in Alpine White with the black leather, 56,000 miles, 6 services. Really nice clean car. Euro 6, so ULEZ compliant, front and rear parking sensors. The LED lights, well, they're steaming up in here. It's a bit damp today. Obviously, with the X-Pack Plus, you get the larger wheels. These are 20-inch alloys and they're all freshly refurbished in the original matte finish. The car looks the absolute part and drives great. It's got a power tailgate, privacy glass as you can see, reverse camera as well as the sensors, the twin exhausts. Your reg number is there for any checks that you guys may wish to carry out at home. As you can see, it is in fantastic condition. These are just steaming up. We've got the heating on today. But yeah, cracking looking car. Let's show you inside. We start with the boot as usual, and as you can see, the power tailgate is working perfectly well. Great size load area on the X2s, and you do get the additional storage under there. Look, no nasty smells, split folding rear seats, and parcel shelf, all present and correct. Got the Dakota black leather with the white stitch. Your ambient lighting, Isofix, centre armrest, and your Harman Kardon audio. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated front seats, again in fantastic condition. Multifunction steering wheel with your paddle shift. As I mentioned, Harman Kardon audio. Big screen nav and media. Oh, just fire up for you. See, no warnings or anything. All starts as it should. Your mileage is 56,125. Looks like it's got speed sign recognition as well. We've got your DAB radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth audio, etc. All the standard bits that you get on the more modern cars. Your navigation, of course. Just take you down to map if I can. There we go, look. Your vehicle stuff. Let's see if the history is on the iDrive with this one. Great. I've only 3 on there, but there are 6 with it, so they must be in the office in paper. But all good there, look, as you can see. Good clear reverse camera on these ones. And it does have park assist as well. Not sure how you use the park assist, but it's got it. I think you have to be in drive or something to scan the space first. I don't know. Tech really isn't my thing. We all know this. What else has it got? It's got lane assist, as you can see there. Look, with those amber lines on the dash. Paddle shift, your auto lights and wipers, auto main beam. Got vision pack, I think, this one. Heated seats just there. Some cup holders. Your driving modes. All the sensors lovely. Phone cradle in the centre. Even more storage just there, along with the USB connection. Your handbooks are in the glove box, just there. All the ambient lighting can be changed to whatever colour you want. And that's it. Another super, super nice example. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll gladly book you in for a test drive. And don't forget, we are fully FCA regulated. Finance is available. We do work with a number of brokers and lenders. Last thing I forgot is it has got head-up display, which is all working well. Cheers, guys.